Breathing new life into old trucks is something we love to do. We've got an older 01 8-lug Chevy, and we've got an awesome build planned. Eric's been hard at work on the front suspension, and as you can see, he's got it all back together. Starting at the top here, we've got new Kryptonite upper control arms. We also used new cam plates from Kryptonite as well. Basically went through the entire Kryptonite catalog and ordered everything that they had for this truck. That includes their entire steering system, tie rods, idler, pitman arm, and the reinforcement bracket. And of course, they are all installed. While it was all apart, we also replaced a new wheel bearing on this side because Eric found that the one that he pulled off was actually incorrect and for a two-wheel drive application. The new steering knuckle, of course, is provided in the rough country suspension kit, as well as the shocks and all the differential drop brackets. While we were there, the lower control arms were also replaced. So literally everything in the front of this truck is all new. Like I mentioned, with all the new Kryptonite parts, they're all new and replaced. I also replaced these little dust caps, which are a small little detail, but totally worth it. The wheels and tires are going on next, and then it's getting rolled over to the alignment rack. Let's head over there next. So Eric's got the steering and suspension install all wrapped up, and now it is on the alignment rack so we can get the alignment perfectly dialed in. When we installed all the new suspension components, you may remember that we installed all new bolts and control arms. So aligning this thing should not be a problem. We love our alignment rack. Everything is by Hunter, as well as our alignment machine is the Hawkeye Elite. We can really dial in perfect alignments on lifted trucks just like this. Wheels and tires turned out absolutely awesome. We did a 35 on a 20-inch Weld wheel, and I think it looks perfect with this black truck. One thing that we do normally when we lift older Chevys like this is we add rear wheel spacers. We do that because the track width of the front end gets significantly wider with this rough country kit. Lastly, we installed some stainless steel Weston steps and added a cool custom touch by rhino lining the step treads black. All in all, this truck looks absolutely awesome. I'm excited to get it outside and see what it really looks like. So we just got the alignment all done, and we are finishing up our classic Chevy project. We brought new life into this truck that has been owned for the entire time by the original owner, and I think that is so cool. I also love this thing has a big 8.1 V8 in it, and it's a long bed. This thing's got a cool configuration that makes it really, really awesome. Just to give you a quick recap on exactly everything that we did, essentially everything that Kryptonite offers to beef up the steering system, we did it. So the idler arm, pitman arm, idler reinforcement, the actual idler arm, the center link and tie rod ends, all of it is from Kryptonite. We coupled that with a rough country 6-inch lift. We also did Kryptonite's upper control arms, which I just forgot about when we were talking about all the Kryptonite components. I think this thing is absolutely awesome. It has the absolute beefiest components that you can get for a Chevy just like this, keeping it IFS, which is absolutely awesome. We wrapped a set of 35-inch Falken Wild Peak AT4s on these 20x9 gloss black and machine well wheels for an absolutely killer looking truck. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found it insightful. If you like builds like this, make sure you visit our YouTube channel regularly because we often post jobs just like this that we do in the shop every single day. Make sure you follow us on all of our social platforms because we get to show you a sneak peek of what happens in the shop every single day. Thanks for watching.